Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop seeing a channel on YouTube Shorts. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you want to stop seeing videos from a specific channel on YouTube Shorts, you can follow these steps. Method 1. Using the YouTube app. So launch the YouTube app on your device. Then, tap on the Shorts icon at the bottom of the screen to browse the short videos. Now, locate a video from the channel you no longer want to see. Then tap on the three dots on the Shorts video. From the menu that appears, tap on Not Interested. You might also see an option to tell us why, where you can indicate that you don't want to see videos from this channel. Now, if available, choose Don't Recommend this channel to prevent videos from that channels from appearing in your feed. Now, Method 2. Managing your subscriptions and history. If you're subscribed to the channel, then go to that channel's page, then tap on View Channel, then tap on the Subscribed to unsubscribe. Now let's go to Library by going to your profile, then go to your history to expand your search, go to the View All, find the Shorts videos from the channel you want to avoid, then you can tap on the three dots, then remove from Watch History. Now, Method 3. YouTube Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the YouTube app. Tap on it again to refresh, then tap on the settings, go to notifications, and here you just have to adjust your notification settings to reduce notifications from channels you don't want to follow. Now, still on the settings, go to the General to manage your content preferences and viewing habits. By using these methods, you can effectively manage the content that appears in your YouTube Shorts and minimize videos from channels you wish to avoid. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.